Oh, but wait, there's more. Of course, I think that is. We got another train coming in, approaching at the course from West Virginia. So here it comes right now. Alright, let's get this over with. Let's see, what could it possibly be? There he is. Right. It is 6:13 p.m. this evening. We got the CSX m316-26 eastbound mixed freight train. Headed to destination to the Cumberland, Maryland yard. Heading east on Main 2. Let's check it out. Here we go. J, dispatcher Jackson, over, train over. 1626, for you. Over. 16, turn on the CSX, J Tower, over. 16, 29, 26, J Tower. This is correct. Over. Over. Went home. Cemeteries off here. Tie it down, I don't know. Just depends on. Well, explaining, complaining. Yes. True. Over. Tie it down. Very good. Every 1736. Through. No range. 300. Major west direction. J Tower. Over.
90380 on 626.3 BA 303.0 m317-26 at 940. Baker 1 is operating the main track west direction from EAS J Tower main track to BNA 2.6 main track.
Okay, and 36, 44, over.
90380 case at 1817 LOC.
Junction, no. There's an injection for Jacksonville 10-4, over and out.
Okay, let's go there. 1-9-2741 light and flash. Yes, and yes, sir. Good as well. Thank you.
And that's the end of the train, but it's not over yet. We still got one more left behind at the end of the train, which is m316-26. And that goes to the end of the train. Right after the past the CSX m316-26 eastbound mixed freight train. That train originates from the Queensgate Yard from Cincinnati, Ohio, heads east to the Cumberland, Maryland, when it terminates at the Cumberland Yard, and often works from the Russell, Kentucky, Grafton, and Kaiser, West Virginia, Rowan route. But, alright, before we get to the end of this train video on this one, we got the westbound m317-26 westbound mixed freight train. Got 2 train meets here today. We're gonna take almost see what we can do. Columbia Avenue. Here goes CSXT M317 into the Columbia Avenue tunnel at the end of the short line sub, into the beginning of the Bridgeport sub. And that's exactly what about the follow the CSX system map on this train area here in the mountain state of West Virginia area in the central. And that's the end of the CSX M317 right now. So similar on that train to CSX M317-26 westbound mixed freight train. That train originates from the Cumberland, Maryland Yard. Cumberland, Maryland, heads west to Queensgate Yard. Heads west to Cincinnati, Ohio, where it terminates at the Queensgate Yard. Now, often works for the Kaiser, Grafton, West Virginia, and Russell, Kentucky Yard, Rowan route on that point. So, this is Josh right here, local Central and West Virginia rail fan, and we are out. Before we get the real video, and make sure to go to subscribe to Josh Ryan on my YouTube channel and click the bell icon if you get notifications. If you like to tell me, leave a comment and tell me what you think. If you like to see on this 2 train meets every day, I'll give it a thumbs up and all about it. So, this is Josh right here, local Central and Southern West Virginia rail fan, and we are out. Here goes the next video. Roll 'em.